Good morning. So today I would like to discuss about the duplexer unit which we identified in each and every pulsar radars. Okay, in pulsar radar block diagrams we have seen that the junction where the transmitting section, receiving section and antenna will join, there you can see the unit called duplexer. What for this duplexer is, because of the duplexer arrangement, only one antenna is enough for two actions like transmitting action and reception action. And this duplexer connects the transmitting section to the antenna during transmitting stage, and at the same time it disconnects the receiver unit. Similarly, in the receiving case, the antenna is connected to only receiver unit but not to the transmitter. So such action is we can get through the duplexer arrangement, so that it isolates the transmitter and receiver when you use single antenna for both transmission and reception. Otherwise what will happen, the receiver can damage because of the highly transmitted high power transmitted pulse. Because of high power transmitted pulse, the receiver can damage if it is directly entered to the receiver. So that's why we need to maintain good isolation between transmitter and reception. Usually, to get such an isolation, two antennas are used. One antenna for the transmitting action and another antenna is for the reception action. But here a single antenna do the same both the actions, but with the help of the duplexer. Okay, that is the use of the duplexer arrangement. Practically, when you come to the system, there are two types of duplexer arrangement. One is a branch type duplexer and another one is balanced type duplexer. Okay, so this is a diagram showing the branch type duplexer. Consists two units, ATR and TR. ATR means anti-transmit receive, whereas TR is transmit and receive. So with the help of these two, the combined structure of ATR and TR along with the main transmission line is referred as the duplexer. Now what will happen is, or how this arrangement will provide such an isolation between transmitter and receiver. That is, during transmission both the tubes, ATR and TR tubes, get ionized so that they act as a short circuit. So when they are in short circuited, so no transmitted pulse is entered into the receiver. Okay, that is only connected to the antenna from the transmitter to antenna. Okay, so that what means, the receiver is protected. The receiver is protected from the high power transmitted pulse, because here we have the short circuit in TR unit. Okay, in TR unit it is ionized and acts as a short circuit, so that the transmitted pulse never enter into the receiver unit. It just go to antenna. Okay, similarly, during reception, what is the connection we expected? The antenna is connected to only to the receiver but not to the transmitter, or the received echo is go to the receiver unit only but not to the transmitter. But how it will be achieved means, during reception what will happen, both the ATR and TR not ionized, that means they don't act as a short circuit. Okay, they are act as a open circuit. Okay, since it is open, the received pulse is simply go to the receiver. Okay, since TR is open, but so is it enter into the transmitter or not, that we will see now. Okay, since from the TR arrangement in the main transmission line, the distance between ATR and TR is lambda by 4, so that at a lambda by 4 distance the transmission line acts as a short circuit. The transmission line acts as a short circuit. The main transmission line shows the short circuiting action so that no received pulse is entered into the transmitter unit. So like that, the duplexer arrangement. The duplexer is consisting of ATR and TR, gas discharge tubes. These two are called. Okay. So like that, this one connects or disconnects antenna to the receiver or transmitter can be done. Okay, so that good isolation can be achieved because of the duplexer arrangement. And another one is balanced type duplexer. Balanced type duplexer. Previously, whatever branch type we have seen, that is a very old model arrangement. Now, using waveguides, the balanced duplexer arrangement shown in the slide. Okay, so it is like two waveguides it consists two waveguides, and they are side by side. Wherever they touch, we have the slot act as a short slot hybrid junction. This is one hybrid junction, this is another hybrid junction. Okay, this model consists two TR tubes, two TR. This is one TR tube in upper waveguide, and this is another TR tube in the lower waveguide. Okay, and at the ports of each waveguide, the different radar units are connected. Like here you can see antenna is connected to this port is connected to transmitter, here is the receiver, and this one is the dummy. That is the end is not used. This end is not used in the radar unit. Okay. Similarly, the lower diagram, but the upper diagram shows the signal flow during transmission case, and the lower diagram shows the signal flow in the reception case. Okay. So, but here you need to take the property of this short slot hybrid junction, that is, when an energy is entered into the slot in either direction. Okay, when the energy is entered into the slot in either direction, it takes a phase shift of 90 degree. So using that, a signal flow is represented